I've gone everywhere from Japan to Egypt to Europe to China to almost everywhere in the United States as well. A lot of travel has been happening, and yet the business just keeps going. Let's go through 10 things that I love about being a business owner in 2020. Hopefully this is motivating for you. I'm Alex Berman. I've generated over $10 million in sales for our companies. We run multiple companies right now, a digital products business, a digital agency, and a software company. And all of them allow me these benefits. And in this video, I want to talk about what they are. So let's go through 10 benefits of being your own boss, 10 benefits of being a business owner in 2020. Number one is time freedom. You got no boss, meaning you don't have to be in an office from 9 to 5. You can do whatever you want, whenever you want. And it's a blessing and a curse, but it's also amazing. Let's say it's 11 a.m. on a Monday and I wanted to watch an entire movie. I could go to the movies. If I had a dentist appointment at 2 p.m. on a Thursday, I don't have to tell anybody that I'm going to that dentist appointment. I could just go. That's it. Complete time freedom. And until you have it, it's hard to describe how fun that is. Number two is travel. If you build your business the right way, you can go wherever you want. You can work from anywhere and it doesn't matter. You can see the world. I've gone everywhere from Japan to Egypt to Europe to China to almost everywhere in the United States as well. A lot of travel has been happening, and yet the business just keeps going because it doesn't matter when you're your own boss and you set your business up the right way, the work is still gonna get done. Number three, the third benefit you'll get from being a business owner is confidence. You built your business from scratch. Watching this business go from $0 a month to being able to sustain as many employees as we have, like $10 million in sales, it's so crazy. And it makes me realize if you can do this, what else can you do? And that confidence drives every other aspect of my life and should drive yours as well. This video is brought to you by mailrush.io. If you need to send cold emails or if your current provider isn't allowing you to send cold emails, you must get an account with mailrush.io. With mailrush.io, you can send bulk emailing campaigns on autopilot while avoiding blacklisting problems. Improve your sending reputation with a dedicated IP. And if you sign up with the offer below, they'll include a free customized IP warm-up schedule with your dedicated IP account. And you can get 30% off the first month by using the promo code cold email. In addition to that, you can also open a free trial account with a sending credit of 1,000 emails. Check it out, mailrush.io, promo code cold email. Number four is money freedom. This allows you to work as little or as much as you want. If you have your business set up to the point where you know that spending X hours on X task will generate Y dollars, then you know if you spend 2 more hours, you can make more money. You have complete freedom over how much money you make, and that works the other way. If you want to work less, you know exactly how little you can work to provide you with the lifestyle you want without having to work 100 hours a week. Which actually brings us to number 5. The fifth benefit of being a business owner is not having to work. It's never been easier to hire. Starting a business does not mean that you have to be doing the actual work of that business. If you want to run a logo design company, that doesn't mean you're designing logos 24/7. It doesn't mean you have to design a single logo in your life. There's so much talent out there that's willing to work for you that you can go out and find the best people, pay them, you do the sales, then hire somebody to do the sales for you, and you're really out of the business. You're completely free. Benefit number 6 of being a business owner is you get to talk to successful people. Your clients, by definition, if they're affording you, have money. So by talking to them, you're surrounding yourself with successful people, either director level people at major corporations, like we work with at Experiment 27, or just wealthy businessmen from around the world. And talking to those successful people and listening to them and not just pushing on them, listening to them will make you more successful. The 7th benefit of being a business owner is health. There's no more cramming food at your desk or having to run out for an hour lunch. You have as much time as you want to prepare meals if you want to eat healthy, or go to nicer restaurants. You've got more money, you can do whatever you want. You could even hire a chef if you really wanted to do that. There is no reason for you to get unhealthy at this point. A lot of entrepreneurs do get unhealthy because of stress, but that's a whole nother issue. You have a lot of time to get the healthiest foods. I could go do some push-ups right now. No one's gonna judge me because I'm my own boss. So you have as much time as you want to get healthy. There's no gaining 200 pounds by the time you're 50 if you're a business owner and you're doing it the right way. Number 8 is you get to talk to successful people, part 2. This is part 2 of that talking to successful people. 1 was talking to successful clients. This is you get to talk to your team. Your team is built from experts, the greatest people in their field if you're building a powerful team the way that we talk about here, or people that you've trained up to be great. And in order to be trained on something, they have to be smart people. So you are the people you associate with. If your team is smart, capable, and cool, you are getting those traits just by associating with them. And that is a nice side benefit of being a business owner. You get to choose the people that are forced to hang out with you. You get better by association. Hey, we're giving away the Email 10K course to one of our lucky subscribers for free. To win, all you have to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have some crazy cold email and business content on here. Subscribe to the mailing list, which you can do by going to email10k.com/checklist and getting our free cold email optimization checklist. Like this video and share this video, and fill out the attached Google form. Your chances multiply every single time you share one of our videos, and the winner is going to be announced at the end of this month. So go complete those steps for a chance to win our $1,000 course, Email 10K. You can get that for free. Number 9 is confidence, part 2. Because you have more time to work on yourself and you're hanging out with better people and you're getting healthier, people in general will like you more. You're going to become more likable, and so you can make better and higher quality friends if you choose to. Also, selling and becoming a business owner takes a lot of talking to people, so your social skills are going to go up, so you can become better at making and keeping relationships going, friendships, etc. And number 10 is you can do it from anywhere. One of the main benefits of being a business owner is there's never been an easier time to do this. You can send a cold email to someone who's never met you, phrase it the right way like we talk about in our course, Email 10K. You don't have to go into an office, you can do it from anywhere, and there's never been an easier time to do it. Every business owner is online. Pitch them. Someone will work with you, and then you can become a business owner too. And if you want a step-by-step path on how to do that, check out our course at email10k.com. What are some benefits that you found of being a business owner? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman. Like this video to encourage this type of content, subscribe for more like this, and stick around, check out our past videos. We have tons of content that we've made all about business, sales, motivation, and how to improve your life. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks for watching.